The Market Research Division of the Textile Committee, Ministry of Commerce, Government of India, undertook a study in the second half of 1968 to find out the reasons for a very slow progress in this type of industry. This study was planned and executed because sales of textile did not show any sign of increase up to June 1968, even after a record crop of 95 million tons reported for 1967-68, providing an estimated increase in incomes of about 1,000 to 1.500 crores of rupees in the rural sector. Next stanza. Mainly prosperous agricultural states were selected for the purpose of this study, and care was taken to see that different regions of India were given proper coverage. Two districts were chosen for data collection from each selected state: an average district and a best district of the state. The average and best words were used with reference to the agricultural prosperity. Stanza. From each of these districts, 3 villages were selected at a different levels of agricultural prosperity so as to get a wide distribution of all types of people in the survey. From each village, a sample of 10 households was taken. Information, however, was collected from other sources in the village also. The total sample was 540 consumers and 45 retailers having shops in the villages. Next stanza. A statement giving total family income at various income levels for the period 1966, 1967 and 1967-1968 in attached as annexure 1. From this statement, it is clear that 41% increase was registered in the best districts and 18% in the average districts during this period. Stanza. Since total income is not correct and the cash income depends on the quantity of food grains that the farmer sells in the market, a study was also made of the total cash income at various income levels. This statement is attached as annexure 2. Here the increase is 50% in the case of best districts and 20% in the case of average districts. Full stop. Stanza. No comparative analysis of disposal of cash incomes could be made for the year 1966-67 and it was therefore not possible to indicate the actual position and the shift of expenditure on various items of the household budget. Full stop. Stanza. The textile industry, it appears, would have to take care of the competition from consumer durables like red loss stop machines and bicycles and the shift of demand to non-cotton textiles. Stop. Stanza. Production estimates during 1977-1978 indicate an increase of the order of rupees 200 crores in gross incomes over 1964-65 levels. Stop. This should change the position materially. Full stop. Para. In view of the upturn in rural incomes, it can be assumed that 20 to 50% of the households in rural areas in Punjab are likely to become potential consumers of consumer product and consumer durables in the near future. Full stop. Stanza. It would perhaps be of interest to know that the Punjab government has planned detailed family budget survey in the rural sector of the fourth plan. Stop. Their findings are likely to be useful, though the information would not be available for 3 or 4 years. Full stop.